Ayo, this don't even fit on my desk, like, to show y'all. It's taking up the whole thing. So y'all know what time it is. Ready, kids? Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna well mail. Ooh, she's shaking the table. Hey, what's up, besties? So today, you guys can already tell from the title, we're gonna be doing an unboxing of some new goodies from Notiq. You guys know I absolutely love her. And I got a bonus item at the end of this video, and this is going to be so fun. So yeah, y'all just let's go ahead, and I just want to jump that box. Hey, jump. Okay, that was a little too much. Let's go ahead and get into what's inside of this big old box. Now how we gonna open this? How do we open this? How do I know? How do I know? How do I know? How do I know? How will I know if I got... see, that's why I don't do good with like trying to ad lib and stuff. I can't create my own song. I'll be tearing it up. Okay, a little ASMR. Here we go. So y'all can see. Ooh, okay. She told me the one. Now, which she said the one on the bottom. Now I'm so. Okay. I'm flicked it. Ooh! Oh my gosh. Okay. Dun-dun. Can y'all see this? Let's get it started. Okay. I'm in a really good singing mood, so y'all probably finna get all of that during this, but I'm really excited about this here. Okay, I had to grab a little extra thing for it. Okay, now she said the one on the bottom. I don't know which one is the bottom. Okay, I'm going to... Okay, I think this is the one I'm supposed to open. That's how we gonna go with it. All right, so ready? Oh, wait, I don't know. Okay. Oh, okay. Yes. This is mine. Okay. So I'm gonna show you guys. This is hilarious to me. Y'all know I'm special. Ooh. Just keeps getting better. And y'all know I save this to send to people in their Happy Meal. Y'all get all this Notiq goodness. Y'all gonna get this wrapped back up too. Keep playing with it. Oh my gosh. Okay. We'll get our scissors so we can see what's inside over the wall. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Here we go, y'all. Okay. So I know y'all see I got two here, but there's actually an extra bonus one back there that I got for you guys. One, because I wanted to celebrate, I really wanted to celebrate Viv and everything that she's doing to bring us these just exclusive like luxe type items for us, and I just get really excited. So I went ahead and I got you guys one, but I ain't gonna show y'all to the end. Y'all gotta stay tuned. We gotta see what's inside. Okay, first of all, let's just talk about these dusters, okay? This duster is everything. Okay, we got goodies. Y'all know I love. Okay, here we go. Ooh, I see some stuff in here. A gift for me. Ooh, $10. Okay. I got me a $10 gift card. I don't want to show that because I don't want to give y'all my stuff there, but this is cute. Okay. It says, your Notiq goods are thoughtfully, this is the one we received in there, about the vegan leather. Aw, my letter. You are one outstanding, loving, caring woman. Hey, thank you. Okay, I'm sorry. That's my girl. I told y'all that before. And now you have a mission card, which is so stinking cute. And then you have a notepad with the now that Okay, I see you, girl. I see where we going. I see what we doing. We got us a new little, what is this, an emblem? We got us something new here, and I love it. I love, love, love it. Okay. Try to keep myself together. Oh, look at it. Y'all already know. Look at her. She is beautiful. She is gorgeous. And she is mine. I love this. So this is the new clutch. It's a laptop sleeve that you can put your laptop in. You can really put, you know, whatever you think you can put in here. So be clear, okay? Doesn't have to just be for that if you want to carry your iPad around in it. Now, the reason I like these is because for me, you can double it as a clutch when you like get ready to go out. You know, you going somewhere, you just want to grab you a nice little, y'all can't see me grabbing that, but you could, you know, wear it as like a little clutch underneath your arm. So pretend this was my arm and this would be clutched underneath there. Okay, anyway, look at this. It's so spacious. Do y'all see? Oh, roll the beautiful bean footage. Look at the texture on this thing. Oh, that is beautiful. That is so beautiful. And it has the pocket in the back, which like has the scallop. This is how you know people take their time to design stuff. It makes me so happy. Now let me show you guys what it looks like. I brought my laptop. That's what I was going over there to get. I have a 13-inch MacBook Air here. So let's see how that fits. Look how that just slides right in there. Do y'all see that? Replay, instant replay. That just slides right on in that thing. And I can just walk into the coffee shop when, you know, all the stuff is over and have this with me, and boom. Now I would like to see, let me grab my iPad too. Okay, so if I was going somewhere, what I would normally have would probably be my iPad and my laptop. That's normally what I carry around with me, just in case I have time to edit. So I like to edit on the go, but I can stick my iPad back here. It does kind of make it stick out a little bit, but that's not a bad thing. It's not bad, you know what I'm saying? So I got my laptop over here, and then back here I have my iPad. Totally not necessary. I'm totally just doing stuff to show you guys how versatile this is and how versatile it's gonna be for me. So in essence, like if I like saying in essence sometimes, anyway, if I just want to take my iPad with me and maybe a notebook, I could just do that. Maybe I want to take my iPad and take my budget planner. I want to take that on the go with me. Boom, budget planner's in here. Snap it up. Got my budget on the go with my iPad, y'all. Yes, I'm so here for it. I am so here for this. Okay, so this is one of the colors. Now there are, I want to say, maybe I saw like 12 colors. There are a whole lot of colors, y'all. So y'all better get into this. Here's the color. I couldn't decide between the nude and then this color, y'all. Okay. When y'all see it, y'all gonna be like, oh my goodness. And I know my sister, she's probably going to try to jack me up for this one. I already know. I already know. When y'all see it, when you see what's inside of here, I already know. Y'all just hanging out with your best friends. If you have not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and you too can get into this. Look at this. Look at it. Look back at it. Look back at it. Look back at it. Hey, now you guys know I love neutral colors. I love just, you know, greens and browns and stuff like that. It makes my heart happy. So just look, this is such, this it's just so beautiful. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Now I can switch up my style. I can do all of this stuff. You guys, please make sure you use the link down below so you can save you 10% off on getting you a laptop sleeve. I think everyone should have them a nice luxe sleeve to just fit their stuff in, and voila. Oh, hey girl, where you going? Nowhere, girl. I'm just finna pull up over here and sit down somewhere. Don't worry about me and my little clutch. Just a girl in her clutch. Just a girl in her Notiq. Just mind her business. Just a girl and her Notiq. I love this. Oh my gosh, Notiq did a thing. You guys, I will have all the links down below so you guys can go and check them out. Check out all of the different colors and all the things that you can do with this clutch. It's big enough and wide enough that if you just have a notebook you want to stick in there and take to a meeting, it looks very professional. You can just pull your laptop out or pull your notebook out, pull your iPad out, whatever you want to take in here. And like I said, so it fits this one, it fits this iPad very well, so I would imagine it's going to fit your 12-inch if you have a 12-inch iPad as well. You know, you walking around, and I think it would probably fit your keyboard back here in the back. I mean, I'm just saying, I don't know, but this finna go. Can't wait to finish this video because I know where this finna go, right into my purse. Well, my bag. It's finna go in my bag. But these dusters. All right, so here we go, guys. The part you guys have all been waiting for, because I know. Okay, and I don't want to open it up, or no, I'm not gonna open it up. This is y'all's, but I want y'all to see it. But she packed it so nicely. Nope. I'm gonna repack it nicely. I can't help myself. Y'all have to see this one. You have to see it. You gotta see it before you see it. And okay, here we go. I'm gonna try to be as okay, let me see how I can do this. I mean, it's gonna be y'all's anyways. Y'all gonna be mad if I open it? Like, for real, y'all gonna be like real upset with me because I opened it before, but I want to show y'all what y'all gonna win, so y'all don't think I'm trying to play y'all. So I'm gonna just cut this side. I'm gonna cut this side, and I'm gonna just slide it out. So when you get it, it's gonna be, you know, right back into the thing. Now let me show y'all. So when you win, y'all, okay, I have to. I'm gonna put y'all back together. Like, first of all, person who making comments right now, I already know it's still gonna be the same effect. Okay, just pretend like you didn't see me do this. Okay, because I'm gonna put it back up nicely as possible. Let me see if I can take this out without doing this. So, because I don't know everyone's favorite color, and I thought this would be good for me to go ahead and have it on hand, I am giving you guys one of these. I'm actually giving you the black one, the crocodile. And now that I see this, I kind of want to keep it for myself, but I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to be that girl that switches it out, because y'all, look at these different colors here. It is gorgeous. Okay, anyways, back to the matter at hand. So you have an opportunity to win this below, but I'm telling y'all, this one ain't gonna be no easy one, because you know this stuff is very luxe. Okay, so when you get some luxe items, you gotta work a little bit harder. You gotta work a little bit harder. So I'm gonna make you work harder, and all I'm gonna do is ask for you to make sure you are following Notiq on Instagram. Okay, that's the first thing. And then down below, there'll be a link for you to head over to my blog and become a subscriber to my blog. Oh Lord, I just messed it up. Oh Lord. Oh no. See, I told you I was trying to be patient. I was trying to do the right thing and show y'all the stuff. And I'm tearing up messing up the church's money. Okay. Oh. Charge back to the game. Oh my goodness. Okay. Anyway, let me stick this back in here before I tear it up some more. Tear it up on them. Okay. Oh wait, was I supposed? Hold on. See there? I'm trying to keep y'all duster too. Let me focus on one thing at a time. Okay, put her back in the duster. Put this back in the plastic, and then the plastic go in it. What's the remember that the hair bone connected to the neck bone? That's on. Somebody should have told me that. Okay, I know Viv is probably somewhere like, girl, this is not what I did this for. All of this, and you just gonna tear it up like that. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna make it look cute though. It's gonna be cute. Okay, let me get this out of the way. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna put y'all back up. All right, you guys, so after all of that, if you guys would like to enter to win the black one, it's gonna be super easy, but I need you guys to do a little bit more this time. So you're gonna want to follow Notiq on Instagram. Then I also want you to head over to my blog, www.elainemichelle.com. You're gonna look for this post, which if you guys use the Gleam link, then it won't be hard to find. You're gonna look for this post that talks about the new Notiq sleeves, and in the comment section, so you will have to be a subscriber. This is where, you know, the work comes in at. You'll have to be a subscriber to leave a comment, and in the comment section, just tell me what your favorite color sleeve is, or what your favorite thought about the sleeves. Let's talk about them down in the comment section on the blog. I don't want to see any entries down below. I mean, I want y'all to tell me what y'all think down below, of course, but in order to be entered into the giveaway, it will have to be on the blog, because we are trying to grow our blog over there. We're trying to grow Notiq's brand. We're trying to do all of this stuff to help support each other. And in case I have not mentioned, this is a black owned luxury stationery brand. So if you guys were looking to shop black, this is your way to do so, and I'm really excited. Again, my code will be listed down below. It's probably been popping up this whole time if you guys didn't know, and I'm really excited about it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Viv, for sending these to me, and thank you so much for getting this to me for them to have the giveaway. I am just really excited about all of this, all of the things that are coming. You guys aren't gonna want to miss some of the other things she has coming. It's about to be lit, y'all. It's about to be litty. It's about to be litty. Make sure you guys go and sign up down below. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell, so that you don't miss any more of my videos. And I've rambled long enough. I love you guys in real life, and I'll catch you in the next video. Mwah. KK, bye.
Sometimes it really feels like I lose control.